First, create a new composition and right here, blood flow. Select HD, 10 seconds, click OK. And now import the image veins. Double click, draw the new composition here. And now press S, scale down the size like this. Take a look, hold Ctrl on keyboard to slowly scale down. Lock the layer. And now I need to create the particles first, and then I want to make animation. So how to do this? Create a new composition by pressing Ctrl N, or go to composition, create a new composition. Right here, bullet cells. Change the size 50 pixels and set 004 frame. Click OK. So guys, and now you can see there 50 pixels. Press Ctrl K, 50 pixel. Double click, go to select all these four cells. Press S, scale down the size. So if you need to make a little bit more quality, press Ctrl K for setting. Set to 100 pixels. Make little bit big size. And drop another one. Take a look. Here is another one. So you can control like this. Select another one. Close, close. And here is the last one. Just make one frame. Take a look. Like this. Okay guys. And now go back to blood flow, your main composition. Before using the blood cells, you must create a new light. Write the name emitter like this. Emitter, and change the color to white. Click OK. Select point light, emitter name, click OK. OK. So guys, and now move the light right there. Make 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 light for 4 ways. So press P for the position 1. Take a look. Go to second 2. Move the light like this. In second 1. In second 2. Move the light like this. Second 3. Move the light. Second 4. And move the light like this. So guys, select control by convert. Control like this. Take a look guys. First rains. So let's go to another light. Turn off. Go to another light. Press P for the position. So let's go to second 2. Move it like this. Second 4. move like this. Second 6, move it like this. So it means control make curve move like this. So take a look. The first move position, the second one set here, and another one make here. Okay guys, let's go to another one. This is the third light. Select and let's animate this one. Press P, turn on the position. So the first, second, move it here, second, third, third, fifth. And now convert, adjust all of them, adjust like this. So guys, let's go to the last one. Press P for the position. Let's turn on. Good. Stopwatch. Go to second 2, move it here. Second 3, move it here. Second 4, move here. Second 5 or 6, move here. And make curve move by convert pen tool by controlling like this. Select, move here, and adjust this one, and adjust here another one. Set here another one and move it like this. So guys, the lights are ready for blood cells particles. Let me save the project for your source file. Blood cells. Take a look. Here is. And now how to make particles. Create a new solid right here, particular. Go to effects, go to trap code, particular, and wait for applying. Here is the particular is ready to use. So how to apply the blood cells into the particular plugin? Go to project, select the blood cells, drop to your main composition or blood flows. And now select again the particular, go back to here. Don't forget, press F4, turn on the 3D switch for this layer. Select the particular and go to emitter. Here you can see the lights. Take a look guys. Choose name, the lights must emitter. The light's name must be emitter. And go to emitter type, select lights. And next, go to emitter size, change to 50. Let's see the result. change to 50. Let's change to 5. Let's change the velocity to 50, controlling all of this. So change the random to 0. Let's change the velocity to 0. Let's change emitter to 0. And let's change the emitter size to 0. So let's play. I need more life seconds. Like that. Go to particle, go to life seconds, make 10 for full 10 seconds of composition. And don't forget change the rate of the particle second birth into 10. And go back to particles. And now time to apply the blood cell particles. Go to particle type, change to sprite, and next go to sprite control, select the blood cells, and go to change random still frame. So let's see, there is the blood cells. So guys, let's change the size. There you can find in particle section, change the size into 10, and let's change the random size to 75, 0.5. Okay, and let's apply the glow effect. Double click to make a little bit brighter, like this. Let's double click once again to make brighter, change intensity 0.4. So guys, let's see. Okay, and now let's control little bit the emitter from here. Change emitter 0.2.0, emitters velocity in 2.5, change the velocity, good. So let's control the particle second into 5 particles second, and let's control the velocity random into 5%, distribution into 1.5, and about emitter velocity control. Let's play now. And now here you can see the result. So if you need more particles, you must change particle second into 20, 25, or 200, 2000. So if you need to add more live seconds, just add here. There is about live random into 5%, and live seconds 7.5. 7.5. So if you need to add blur, motion blur, go to rendering, go to motion blur, select change from composition to, select from comp setting to on. And now let's play the final result. Here you can see the final result. Okay guys, I need to make more small size. Let's go to particles, particles original size, make 5, more small. Here you can see the results. So guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to add particles into veins by Particular plugin. Don't forget you can download Particular plugin from my Patreon account. You can find link account into my video description. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.